Tired of cloudy, bubbling resin? Promise Epoxy gives you flawless results with zero guesswork, even if you're a first-timer. I was nervous before my first project, but this kit took out all the stress. You just measure equal parts, mix, and pour. The formula does the rest. Any tiny bubbles rise up and pop so easily, especially if you use a heat gun for a few seconds. The resin spreads out smooth and clear, delivering a stunning finish on everything from wood slabs to jewelry molds. There's plenty of time to get creative before it starts setting, so you're never rushed. Once it cures, it feels solid and looks professionally done. Plus, this stuff is food safe for tabletops and tough enough for daily use. Ditch the headaches and failed pours. Start your resin journey with something that just works. Pick up Promise Epoxy and nail your next DIY or art project today.